Hello, good afternoon. Welcome to our store.
Hello, we are looking for a winter jacket.
Is it for you or for your son?
It's for my son.
How old are you, little boy?
I am 8 years old.
What a good boy. We have many new winter jackets for kids this year. This one is our best seller.
What is it made of?
It is made of warm material. It keeps you warm and is water resistant.
Can I try it on? Of course.
Mom, it's very warm.
Do you like it?
Yes, I do, but do you have it in white? I like white.
White is nice, but it gets dirty easily. You like blue too, right?
Yes.
Do you have it in blue?
Yes, we do. I'll get the blue one for you.
Oh, Mom, I like that wool hat. It has Spider-Man on it.
Okay, I'll buy it for you.
Here is the blue jacket. Do you like it?
Yes, I like it.
Thank you. I'll take the blue jacket and the Spider-Man hat. Wonderful. I'll pack them for you.
Hey, it's cold today. Yes, I want to buy a warm sweater. This store has many wool and cotton clothes. Great, let's look together. I like this sweater. It looks soft. Is it wool or cotton? It's cotton. It's light and warm. What size do you wear? I usually wear medium. Try this medium first. Okay, I'll try it on. How does it feel? It feels comfortable, but a little tight. Maybe try a large size. Good idea. This one fits better. Yes, it looks nice on you. What about you? I want a wool sweater. This one is wool. Feels very warm. Do you want small or medium? I think medium is better. Try it on. Okay. Wow, it fits well. Yes, not too loose, not too tight. I'll take this one. Me too. Let's go pay. Sure, we're ready.
Hi, I'm looking for birthday gift.
Sure. How can I help you?
I want gloves and a scarf for my girlfriend.
That's a lovely idea.
It's cold at night.
Yes, these are very popular in winter.
Do you have something cute, maybe with a small design or pattern?
Yes, this scarf has a cute snowflake pattern. It's very popular for birthday.
Ooh, that's nice. She likes cute things.
What color does she like?
She likes beige and soft colors.
This beige scarf is very soft and warm.
Do you like it?
Yes, I do.
What about gloves?
These gloves are warm and light.
They also work with phones.
That's perfect.
Do they have a cute design?
Yes, this pair has small heart patterns.
They look very sweet.
Great, I'll take these.
Can you wrap them as a gift?
Of course. Would you like a gift card too?
Yes, please. Can you write a short message for me?
Yes. What would you like to write?
Stay warm. Merry Christmas. Love you, Bae.
That's very nice.
Thank you so much.
You're welcome.
Hello, good afternoon.
Good afternoon. How can I help you?
I am looking for a sweater, something soft and warm.
Of course. Do you want wool or cotton?
I want something soft. My skin is sensitive.
I understand. This sweater is very soft.
Is it itchy?
No, it is not itchy at all.
That's good. I don't like heavy clothes.
This one is light and easy to wear. It's good for daily use.
Can I try it on? Of course. Oh, it feels very comfortable. It's easy to put on.
Yes, many older customers like it. It's very popular.
What size is this?
This is medium.
It fits me well. Not too tight. I like it. Do you have it in another color?
Yes, we have beige, gray, and light blue.
I like the gray one.
Okay, I'll take this sweater.
Thank you very much.
You're welcome. Stay warm this winter. Hello, it's very cold today.
Yes, how can I help you?
I'm looking for gloves. I need to use my phone outside.
I see, we have touchscreen gloves.
Do you have different styles?
Yes, we have simple and sporty styles.
What is the difference?
The sporty ones are warmer.
Are they thick?
A little, but not heavy.
Can I try this pair?
Of course.
They feel warm. Do they work with phones?
Yes, you can use all fingers.
Let me try my phone.
Sure.
It works very well.
That's great.
Do you have other colors?
Yes, black, gray, and navy blue.
Do you have a lighter pair?
Yes, this one is lighter and softer. I like this one better. It feels comfortable.
What size is this?
This is medium.
It fits me well. How much is it?
They are $15.
That's reasonable. I'll take this pair.
Thank you very much. You're welcome.
Hello, I'm looking for winter clothes. Sure, how can I help you? I want to buy a jacket, a sweater, and a scarf. Is there a discount if I buy more? Yes, if you buy 3 items, you get a discount. That sounds good. Let's start with the jacket. I want something warm but not heavy. This jacket is light and very warm. Can I try it on? Of course. It fits well. I like it. What about sweaters? I want something simple and comfortable. This sweater is soft and easy to wear. It's made of a cotton blend. Do you have another color? Yes, gray, navy, and beige. I'll take the navy one. Now I need a scarf. This scarf is warm and soft. It matches the jacket well. That looks nice. How much is the discount? You get 20% off. It applies to all 3 items. That's great. I'll take all of them. Perfect. I'll prepare the items for you. Thank you very much. You're welcome.
Hello, good afternoon.
Good afternoon. How can I help you?
I'd like to exchange these winter pants. The size is not right.
No problem. Do you have the receipt?
Yes, here it is.
Thank you. What size do you have now?
I have medium.
Is it too tight or too loose?
It's a bit tight.
I see. Would you like to try a large size?
Yes, please. That would be great.
Here's the large size.
The fitting room is over there.
Okay, I'll try them on. Just a moment.
They fit much better.
They are more comfortable.
Do you like this size?
Yes, this size is perfect.
Would you like a different color?
No, the color is fine.
Great. I'll exchange them for you.
Thank you very much.
You're welcome.
Please keep the receipts.
Have a nice day.
Hello, good afternoon.
Good afternoon. How can I help you?
I'm going on a trip soon. It will be very cold there.
I see. How many days will you stay?
About 3 days. I need warm clothes.
Of course. What do you need first?
I need a warm jacket, something light, please.
This jacket is light and very warm. It's good for travel.
Can I try it on?
Sure.
It feels comfortable.
Is it warm enough?
Yes, it blocks wind and keeps heat inside.
Great.
What else do you recommend?
You should get a sweater and a scarf, too. This sweater is very soft. It's easy to wear.
I like it. Do you have another color?
Yes, blue and red.
I'll take the red one. What about scarves?
This one is warm and not too thick.
That's perfect. I don't want heavy clothes.
Good choice. These are easy to pack.
I'll take the jacket, sweater, and scarf. How much is it?
There is a travel discount today. You get 10% off.
That's nice. Thank you very much.
You're welcome. Have a warm and safe trip.
Hello, I'd like to pay.
Sure. Before you pay, would you like to join our member program? You can get discounts and news about new clothes.
That sounds good. Yes, I'd like to join.
Great. May I have your name, please?
My name is Sharon Wilson.
Thank you. May I have your phone number?
My phone number is 55555123.
Thank you. And your email address, please?
My email is spicysharon@gmail.com.
Great. May I have your date of birth?
Yes, my date of birth is August 12th, 1995.
Perfect. You are now a member. You will get special offers and updates about new winter clothes.
That is so great.
Oh, do you use Instagram?
Yes, I do.
You can follow our page on Instagram. We post new styles and discounts there.
That sounds nice. I'll follow your page.
Thank you very much.
You're welcome.
Enjoy your shopping.
Have a nice day.
Hey, have you checked the fridge lately?
Yeah, it's basically empty. Just some eggs and one lonely tomato.
I think it's time to go grocery shopping.
I was thinking the same thing.
Let's go to the market and fill the fridge.
Good idea. We should restock for the whole week.
What do we need?
Milk, vegetables, and maybe some chicken.
Definitely. And bread. I ran out this morning.
Let's also get some fruit.
I want something easy to snack on.
Sounds good. Do we have enough time before dinner?
Yeah, the market is close. It won't take long.
Perfect. Let's do a quick grocery run.
All right, grab your bag.
Let's go fill that fridge.
Excuse me.
Yes, how can I help you?
I want to buy some vegetables today.
Sure, what are you looking for?
Are these tomatoes fresh?
Yes, they came in this morning.
That's good to hear. How about the spinach over there?
That one is from yesterday.
Is it still okay to eat?
Yes, it's still fresh and clean.
All right. Which carrots are new?
These carrots are fresh today, and they look bright and firm.
Thank you. And the apples. Are these apples new or old?
They are new. We got them today.
Great. Are they sweet?
Yes, many customers like them.
Sounds good. I will take tomatoes, carrots, spinach, and apples.
Anything else you need?
No, that's all for now. Thank you for your help.
You're welcome. Have a nice day.
You too.
We're here. Where do we start?
Start with the big and easy to sell things. Bakery first.
Because they run out fast.
Yes, and they take space in the cart, so we put them at the bottom.
I see the bread wall. So many kinds.
We need 2 loaves of sandwich bread.
A loaf is 1 whole bread. 2 loaves equals 2 breads. Now shadow me. 2 loaves of sandwich bread.
2 loaves of sandwich bread.
Good. Check the date on the back.
Best before... Okay, it's good. Where are the hot dog breads?
Those are called buns. A bun is the small bread for 1 hot dog.
So bread is the big one and buns are the small ones.
Right. Shadow me. Where are the hot dog buns?
Where are the hot dog buns?
Here they are. We need 2 packs.
2 packs of buns. Got it.
This is the meat section.
Yeah, what should we get?
Let's get chicken first.
Okay, do you want chicken breast or thighs?
Chicken breast. It's easy to cook.
Are these fresh? Yes, they look good.
Check the date.
It's from today.
Great. Let's take 2 packs.
All right. What about pork? We need pork for dinner.
Which one? Pork belly or pork chop?
Pork belly. It's good for grilling.
This one looks fresh.
Yeah, the color is nice.
Now fish. Do you want salmon or tilapia?
Salmon is expensive.
Then let's get tilapia. Is this fish fresh?
The eyes look clear. That means it's fresh.
Good. Let's take 1.
Okay. Chicken, pork, and fish. We're done here.
Nice. Let's go pay.
This aisle smells strong.
Yeah, this is the sauce section.
What do we need?
We need cooking oil.
Here it is. Vegetable oil or olive oil?
Vegetable oil is fine.
Okay, 1 bottle.
What about soy sauce?
Yes, we're almost out. This one or that one?
This one, it's cheaper.
All right. Do we need fish sauce?
Yes, just 1 bottle.
How about ketchup?
Yes, and mayonnaise too.
Here are the spices.
We need salt and black pepper.
Do we have garlic powder? No, we don't.
Let's get one.
Anything else?
Maybe chili sauce. Good idea.
This one is not too spicy. Perfect. Let's check the list again. Oil, soy sauce, fish sauce, ketchup, mayo, spices.
That's everything.